Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a 3 Series BMW E90, 91, 92 and 93. And we'll show you if you have the TPMS. This is the system that monitors the tire pressure. Okay, it tells you if you have a flat tire, low tire, where to find the fuse for that, okay, where it's located and how to replace it. Now in the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys, give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and let's start on it now. This BMW guys, the 3 Series generation, uses 3 different fuse boxes. So the location of your fuse might be different. Always double check that. Okay, always double check for your year and model to make sure, because sometimes they will differ. Now, if you open the door right here, you can see you have the light for the TPMS reset, and it says to check your manual. The light is really annoying. Sometimes it could be just a bad fuse, and we'll show you okay where to locate that fuse now. We'll need to go to the passenger side of the car, because we'll need to access the fuse box, which is located right behind the glove box. Okay, almost here. Now this is the glove box here. We're going to go ahead, open it. Okay, you can see that cover here will need to be removed so we can access the fuses. So those round things, turn them 90 degrees up like that. Okay, one on this side. Perfect. Pull it out. And that's where the magic happens, guys. That's where your fuses are located. Now that red thing here, this is your fuse puller. Okay, just grab it and pull it out. The big side you use on the middle fuses, the small side you use on the small fuses. Now we need to locate fuse number 24. So if you see that block of fuses, 10 fuses there in the middle, the very bottom row will be the 4th one from left to right. Okay, so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. In our case it's a 5 amp fuse. You have to double check yours, your manual, to make sure that you have the correct one. Okay, I'll go ahead, pull it out. Let me grab the new one now. We'll have on the channel where you can buy the replacement fuses and all that stuff. So if you need help with anything, just check it out. Okay, this is the new fuse. You can see if it's good by checking that wire inside. If it's not blown, it's good. Okay, and now we can go ahead and push it in, and that's where your fuse is located. Now let me install that one so we don't lose it, because we will need it next time. Okay, that's how it stays. And all we have to do is install your cover here. So hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.